Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build dashboards in Salesforce using the high-end Lightning Experience Builder. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to transform raw 2026 data into a candid visual summary for effective market analysis and studio-level bookkeeping. Let's get into it. First, access the Sales Management Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to move from your general home feed into the professional studio environment where your data is technically tracked. Look at the left-hand sidebar of your Lightning interface. Locate and click on the Sales tab, or the app launcher icon if Sales isn't pinned. The Sales tab serves as the primary gateway for your professional bookkeeping, technically housing all the objects and records that fuel your high-end dashboards. Next, enter the Analytics Technicality workspace. Once inside the Sales app, you need to shift your focus from individual records to high-level data aggregation. Move your eyes to the top navigation bar that runs horizontally across the screen. Locate and click on Analytics or Dashboards depending on your studio configuration. The Analytics tab is a professional standard for centralized data visualization. It technically separates your active selling tasks from the deep dive market analysis tools you need for high-end reporting. Next, trigger the Dashboard Creation Protocol. Now that you are in the Analytics Hub, you must technically initiate the creation of a new high-end visual container. Navigate to the top right corner of the Analytics page. Click the prominent Create button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Dashboard. Selecting Dashboard from this menu is the mechanical necessity that opens the Lightning Builder. It tells the technical engine that you are ready to candidly transform your professional bookkeeping into a high-end interactive visual experience. Give your dashboard a professional name like 2026 Q2 Sales Performance and select a shared folder for its location. You can click the plus component or plus widget in some 2026 updates. Start choosing your source report and then select a chart type, such as a donut chart for distribution or a funnel chart for pipeline analysis. And that's pretty much it. To start your dashboard in 2026, navigate through the Sales tab on the left sidebar and select Analytics from the top navigation bar. Once there, click the Create button in the top right and select Dashboard from the dropdown. This professional workflow is the most direct technical path to launching your 2026 Studio Builder for high-end market analysis. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.